how to make your art into an NFT step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your art into an NFT very easily. So let's get into it. When it comes to selling your art as an NFT, we can go to any NFT platform, and I'm going to be using OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is world's largest and first NFT marketplace. Here we can find all of these amazing NFT collection. It's actually home to CryptoPunks, Cool Cats, and all these big collections. When it comes to OpenSea, it's actually a very easy platform to use, and it's an open platform, so you can create a collection here and mint your NFTs for free. So how it works is, on OpenSea, you will actually need to create an account, and you can log in using your Google account. And after that, you will need to connect your crypto wallet. Go to this wallet option right here at the top, and it will give you a bunch of different options. We can connect our MetaMask, we can connect our Wallet Connect, a Coinbase wallet. So I have connected my MetaMask. If you do not have MetaMask, you can actually get one by just going to metamask.io, and then you will download the Chrome extension and you will create an account on MetaMask and you will get your wallet. So you can see right here, I already have an account in MetaMask. So all we need to do is just go to the wallet section here and connect our wallet. Once you connect your wallet, then OpenSea will allow you to create an NFT right here. Now, all you need to do is just go to your platform wherever you created your NFT and download it, or the art that you have. So OpenSea, we have a lot of different art NFTs. I am actually going to be selling a digital art that I have created for free using a platform known as Canva. And you can use any platform. You can create pixel NFTs as well. Once you have created the NFT, then you're gonna come on OpenSea here, and we will click on profile option and click on create, and it will take us right here. This is where we convert our art into an NFT. So you can see, first we have to upload our NFT. Now it can be in JPG, PNG, GIFs, then we have MP4, MP3. We have other file types too. The maximum size is going to be 100 MB. So all you need to do is just upload your file here. I have a PNG that I will be converted into an NFT. So this is my NFT right here, which is a digital art I created. It is a PNG, but now it will be minted as an NFT. So this is how we actually create our NFTs on OpenSea. All you need to do is just, upload your file. It can be any type of file, and it is listed as an NFT right here on OpenSea. Now we can move on to the next step, which is going to be the name. So the name for my NFT is actually just... So this is the name of my NFT. This is like a random name. Then we have an external link. So this is where you enter a link. If you have a URL or a website created for your NFT collection, for your project, then you will enter the link right here. Otherwise, you can leave this option. It's not compulsory, so I'm going to leave this one. Then we have description. This is where you will add the description about your NFT, about your collection, or a project. For now, I'm just going to write the word description here, and not going to go into depth, but you will just enter. Make sure to actually write the details about the NFT here. Moving on, we have collection. So you can select the collection here. Now, as a complete beginner, if you do not have a collection on OpenSea already, then you can leave this option, because a collection will automatically be created with your NFT. Or what you can do is you can go to your profile right here, and you have my collection option. Go to my collection and create a new collection first, and then you can mint your NFTs in that specific collection. We can have more than one collection on OpenSea. For now, I'm going to leave this option, and a collection will be created automatically. Then we have properties, levels, and stats. So in properties, we can add different visual properties of an NFT, different traits. For instance, I can go with a character. My NFT collection actually has different characters. So this one has a character, and the name is going to be black, because I'm kind of like creating different types of women in this collection. So I'm going to go with this. Then we have levels, where I can add my traits as a progress bar. And then we have our stats, where I can show my traits as numbers. Unlockable content. This is if you want to sell your art. Let's say you had an art which is a physical art. So you can add the picture of the art right here and sell it on OpenSea. But if you want to also sell your art physically, what you can do is you can enter your information in unlockable content. So you use this option to add a key, a code, a link, a file, anything you want to, even your address, your email address, you can add right here, and it is only revealed to the buyer who will buy your NFT. They will get access to this content right here. For now, I'm not going to use this option. Then we have explicit and sensitive content check. For me, I'm not going to use this option for now. It's a simple NFT. And then we have supply. So the number of copies that you want to mint to OpenSea, you will select it right here. For me, it's going to be one, and there's no gas cost. Then blockchain, an important option on which blockchain you will be minting your NFT. So now on OpenSea, we have a lot of different blockchains available. We have Arbitrum, Avalanche, BNB, we have Polygon, Solana, and more. For me, I'm gonna go with Polygon for now, and we can also go for Ethereum because I have connected my MetaMask. So I'm gonna go with Ethereum right here. And then we have freeze metadata, and then we have the create option. So once you have added all the details right here, you're just gonna click on create, and your art will be converted into an NFT, and your NFT will be minted on OpenSea, and you will be able to sell it. So our NFT has been added to OpenSea. Now you can see you created, this is the name of my NFT, and you can see this is now, I had a digital PNG file, and now it's available on OpenSea to buy. You can see this is my NFT right here, and it actually looks really good. And now we have all of the details that we added. And one thing that I wanted to show you, you can see right here, I have a collection that has been created, an untitled collection. I can, of course, rename it anytime I want to. So once the NFT is created, now you want to sell it on OpenSea, so we can, list it up for selling. Click on sell right here, which is the button given. List for sale. Here we will add some more information. If we want to go for a timed auction or fixed price, I'm gonna go with fixed price here. And then we have set a price for this one. I'm gonna go with 0.05 Ethereum, which is going to be $81. Or we can go for maybe 0.7, which is going to be $114. So this is going to be the price for my NFT for now, but of course we can sell it for higher prices. Then we have set duration, we have summary here. So the service fee is just 0.5% now. At first it was used to be 2.50% on OpenSea, but now it's just 0.5%. And then we have creators earning here. A listing price is going to be 0.7 Ethereum, and the potential earning that I will get with this is going to be 0.0697 Ethereum. So the fee is going to be here. Good thing about OpenSea is the fee is cut from the earnings that we will make, so you don't have to pay while completing your listing. So you can just complete your listing right now, but when you will make a sale, the service fee will be cut. So this is actually pretty good as a complete beginner for people like us who don't want to actually, put in some money and to just list the NFT. It's really easy. This way you can convert any type of art that you have to an NFT using OpenSea. Go to OpenSea.io and you will list the NFT just how I showed you. It's a very simple process, and you will be able to complete your listing and sell your art as an NFT. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.